Today we're going to be looking at 4 houses for sale in Clarendon. House number 1. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Glenmuir in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is approximately 1,500 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 19 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Followed by that is the kitchen. We're then going to move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 3 out of the 4 were shown. Unfortunately for the bathrooms, there were no images provided. From here, we're going to head to the back of the property. And that would end house number 1. House number 2. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in 4 Paths, Clarendon. The square footage of this house is approximately 2,041 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 16 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go take a closer look. Here we have a dining area. Unfortunately for the living area, there were no images provided. Next is the kitchen. We're now going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, and this is the 4th bedroom. We then move on to the bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 1 out of the 3 is being shown. And that would end house number 2. House number 3. This 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is located in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is approximately 2,000 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 19.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the carport. Here's the first living and dining area. Next is the second living and dining area. We then move on to the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is the second kitchen. We're then going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, 4th bedroom, and this is the 5th bedroom. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 out of the 3 were shown. That then ends house number 3. House number 4. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house located in Hayes, Clarendon. The size of this property is approximately 5,989 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 12.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living area. And followed by that is the kitchen. We're then going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the 3rd bedroom. Lastly, there is the bathroom. And that would end house number 4. That also brings us to the end of the video. If you were interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.